Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. We are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. If you follow the link, you can register here for free and you receive daily free Elliott-Wave updates for various asset classes, including the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, gold, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and oil. Today, I'd like to talk about the S&P 500. So you just click on the symbol, then you can see here the latest analysis as well as the relevant support and resistance levels, and you can see the chart. So you can see a long-term chart, a short-term chart, and these charts show our Elliott-Wave scenarios, the Elliott-Wave counts, the primary scenario, the alternative scenario, trading areas, as well as probabilities for our primary scenarios and the relevant alternatives. We should start on the daily time frame so that you get an idea of the bigger picture. And yeah, I mean, the S&P 500 is in an uptrend, has been in an uptrend again since October 2022. And we've seen here that rally that started, just before 2023. It's quite a complex corrective pattern that unfolded here. I'm sure you can count that in different ways. That is only secondary really at the moment. The idea is that a larger degree fourth wave here in white finished early in 2023. Consequently, in our primary scenario, we are now in a fifth wave. And here in magenta, you can see the sub-wave structure of that fifth wave to the upside. And as you can see, we are currently within the third wave. So basically that would be wave 3 of 5. And there is still some room to go. So overall, we are watching for further upside on the S&P 500. However, this is only the daily time frame. So in a minute, we're going to take a look at the 2-hour chart, and you can actually see the subdivisions and the sub-wave count within magenta wave 3. You can see that most recently the chart broke above the $4,808 resistance level, the third wave top that formed already, I think it was early 2022. And we're basically in this third wave now. Now in the primary scenario, we would like to see further increases, at least based on the daily chart. On the 2-hour chart, I will show you in a minute that we should expect a short-term pullback very, very soon. So we're going to take a look at that. But overall, we should continue to move higher in this third wave in magenta. Bear in mind that also a third wave consists of 5 waves. So there are waves and sub-waves. In the alternative scenario, if we see a break below 4,122, it would suggest that the fourth wave that likely bottomed and completed early in 2023, that this is still unfolding. That would be the alternative, and the invalidation point for this current scenario is basically a break below 4,122. We only see this, we only assign this a 35% probability. In this scenario, the current rally would be a high B wave, and a C wave to the downside would follow somewhere into the region below 4,122. If we can see that, that this is unfolding, we will add a target area for this scenario. Now looking at the 2-hour chart, here you can see the sub-wave structure within wave 3 in magenta. You see actually that the wave 2 bottomed here at 4,122. And basically now this wave 1 of magenta wave 3 possibly finished. It stretched a little higher. Next resistance level is at $4,997. That's an important resistance level. However, I have to say that this is in our primary scenario now the case that a top is likely in this wave 1. We assign it a 75% probability that wave 2 either has started already or is just about to start. And in our primary scenario, we see the price decline or start to decline very shortly into the region between 4,540 and 4,300. This would be an area, a trading area that could be used by traders to add long positions. Yeah, you could use that area to look for long positions. Now, if you do that, that's entirely up to you. We usually recommend, if these levels are used, to set a stop loss 1% below the 78.6 retracement level in this case, so below 4,300. Yeah, but there is no strong evidence yet that this wave 2 has started, basically wave 2 of the magenta third wave. Also, please bear in mind that the 4,997 level is very close to the psychologically relevant 5,000 points level. If we see a break above 4,997, then this would only mean that this wave 1 is still stretching a little higher. Consequently, that would mean that all the following targets for the subsequent waves would be a little bit higher. That it stretches much higher, we would only assign a 25% probability. In our primary scenario, as already mentioned, this wave 2 should already have started to unfold, or will unfold very, very shortly and send us back below 4,548. Yeah, that's my update about the S&P 500 today. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Make sure that you register for free on the dailymarketupdate.com website, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.